Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into the absolute fundamentals of wealth. We aren't just talking about making money, we're talking about the rule of money. These are the 15 foundational principles that separate those who struggle from those who thrive. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, these rules are your roadmap. Let's get into it. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. Most people get their paycheck, pay their rent, buy their groceries, and then save whatever is left. That is a recipe for staying broke. You have to flip the script. The moment you get paid, a percentage goes directly into your savings or investments before anyone else gets a dime. By doing this, you treat your future self as your most important bill. Rule number 2, learn how to invest. Keeping your money in a standard savings account is actually losing you money because of inflation. You have to understand how to put your capital to work. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or index funds, the goal is to have your money growing faster than the cost of living. Education is the first step to execution. Rule number 3, give every dollar a job. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will simply disappear. Every single dollar you earn should be assigned a purpose, whether that's for bills, for fun, or for future growth. This isn't about restriction, it's about intentionality. When every dollar has a job, you stop wondering where your money went and start seeing where it's taking you. Rule number 4, spend less than you earn. It sounds incredibly simple, yet it's the hurdle most people trip over. In a world designed to make you consume, living below your means is an act of rebellion. The gap between your income and your expenses is where your freedom is built. If that gap doesn't exist, you're just a passenger in your own life. Rule number 5, have a plan and set goals. Financial success doesn't happen by accident. You need a target. Are you aiming for debt freedom, a home down payment, or early retirement? Write it down. A goal without a plan is just a wish. When you have a clear why, the how becomes much easier to stick to. Rule number 6, if you have it, don't flaunt it. True wealth is often quiet. The person driving the brand new luxury car might be drowning in debt, while the person in the modest sedan is a millionaire. Don't waste your capital trying to look rich to people you don't even like. Buy back your time, not more stuff. Rule number 7, keep your finances organized. Chaos is the enemy of wealth. You need to know your numbers, your net worth, your cash flow, and your debt-to-income ratio. When your finances are organized, you can make decisions based on data, not on emotions or guesswork. Rule number 8, it's a game, learn how it works. The financial system has rules, tax laws, interest rates, credit scores, and market cycles. If you don't learn the rules, you are destined to lose to those who do. Treat your financial life like a grand strategy game. The more you study the mechanics, the better you play. Rule number 9, always have an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break, roofs leak, and jobs are lost. An emergency fund, ideally 3 to 6 months of expenses, is your sleep at night insurance. It ensures that a temporary setback doesn't become a permanent financial disaster. Rule number 10, always make money work for you. You only have 24 hours in a day. You cannot work forever. The ultimate goal is to transition from you working for money to your money working for you. Every dollar you invest is like a little soldier working around the clock to bring more soldiers home. Rule number 11, learn how to make money passively. This is the holy grail of finance. Whether it's through dividends, rental income, or digital assets, passive income breaks the link between your time and your earnings. It's the only way to truly own your life. Rule number 12, use money to solve a problem. Money is a tool, not a trophy. Its greatest value is its ability to solve problems, both for yourself and for others. Use it to buy back your time, provide for your family, or create a business that fills a need in the world. When you solve problems, more money usually follows. Rule number 13, know how to risk it and leverage it. You cannot build great wealth without some level of calculated risk. This means understanding leverage, using other people's money or resources to amplify your results, while also knowing how to protect your downside. Risk is a fire. It can cook your food or burn your house down. Learn how to control it. Rule number 14, don't use credit if you don't have cash. Credit cards should be used for convenience and rewards, not as a bridge to buy things you can't afford. If you can't pay for it in cash today, you shouldn't be putting it on plastic. Debt is a weight. Don't carry more than you have to. Rule number 15, it's not what you make, it's what you keep. This is the ultimate truth. Your gross income is a vanity metric. Your net worth is the reality. Focus less on the size of your paycheck and more on the percentage of that paycheck that stays in your pocket and grows. If you apply these 15 rules, you aren't just managing money, you're mastering it. Start with one today and watch the compound effect take hold. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.